Hello Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for HipKit Club. It's Josefine here with a new process video. And I made my layout with these gorgeous August HipKit Club kits from the HipKit Club. And I was inspired by the Moodboard by Sophie Delrome. Thank you Sophie for this beautiful Moodboard. And of course it's Moodboard inspired Sunday. So I was inspired by this beautiful mood board. So um, first I cut a cut file with my Cricut Maker, and these cut files are from the August and September hip kits cut files, and I placed my cut file on top of this beautiful design paper from the Hip Kit Club design paper from the main kit, and I use some tacky glue to put my cut file, to glue my cut file on the design paper, and I cut them out with my by using my scissor. Here I choose a different design paper that fits well with the mood board. So I went for the light orange one and the design paper pattern pink, red and yellow stripes. So I cut circle strokes from the design paper about a 1/2 inch, and when I cut all the strokes that I need, I make strips of them. So I want to create something like a reed, because on the mood board there is a reed, and I was inspired by the reed, and I think that I want to make something like a reed, but instead of using flowers and leaves, I fold some strokes. Here I'm folding the strokes together in half, and I'm using edge-shave tape to put them on under the circle, and I cut two circles, different circles to size, and I put the strokes under both of the circles, so I creating something like a wreath, and I'm very happy how that turns out. You can also see it like a big giant flower with folded petals, but I think it looks very great on my layout. And again, I love circles. I'm a little bit of obsessed of circles. I make a lot of circle layouts, and this is perfect for this cut file that I want to use on this scrapbook layout. So when I'm done with all these strokes on the circle, I put both of the circles in the center of my cut file. For this layout, I use a photo from me and my husband. I think for 5 years ago, we did a photo shoot on the beach, and I really love this photo so much. And so I think it's a perfect photo for this title, because the cut file word on the cut file is hot, and I made the title hot Summer Days, and I think this photo is hot, so I definitely wanted to use this photo for this layout, for this summer layout. So I decided to cut a large circle out of the white cardstock, and put the white cardstock on top of the turquoise cardstock from the cardstock color kit. And I stitched the edges of the circle with golden thread, and I placed my cut file in the center of the circle, and then I'm going to decorate my scrapbook page further with the awesome die cuts from Simple Stories. And I made clusters on both sides of this cut file. It's time to color my title, and the word hot I colored with Distress Oxide. The color is Salvage Patina. I hope I announced it well. So I blend the Distress Oxide with a blending tool on the letters from the word of hot. And I finished my title with the gorgeous orange title set from Simple Stories. And I made the word summer, and under my layout on the word hot, I made the word days from the Vickers Alpha sets from American Crafts. I put the letters from the word hot in place by using some 3D foam, and I add some more die cuts on my clusters. Here I use the word sunkissed that I put on top of the flamingo, and here I searching for some more die cuts to for my clusters on both sides of this cut file. Now it's time to make some white splatters, and I use some acrylic paint that I mix with a little bit of water, and mix it with my pencil, and I splatter around, and I beside the white acrylic paint, I use some distress oxide in the same color that I use for blending my alphas, and I splatter a little bit around the circle with the light blue green distress oxide, so it just look like water splatters. And that was the end of this process video for my scrapbook layout inspired by the mood board designed by Sophie Delrome. And I'm very happy how my scrapbook page turned out. So I hope I give you some great ideas from the August kit, and I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video. And of course, don't forget to check the Facebook group and the blog from the HipKit Club for more beautiful inspirations from the other designers. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube, and I wish you for now a beautiful and crafty day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.